The Adventures of Blancario. So you think you can talk about my family like that? Like, really? Like, no. Help! 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 Oh, no! You bastard! You over here talking crap about my family, and then you don't know what the boss is saying to me? No, I'm gonna shoot you with this gun!